Hello students, good morning. How are you students? Are you fine? Oh, how nice. You all are fine and safe at home. And what about your study? That is also good? Okay, how nice students. You are doing good study at home. है ना? I hope. Now students, the third poem, The Crocodile. है ना? I had sent a video on that poem. I had explained that poem in Hindi and in English, as well as I read that whole poem in last video. Now it's time to solve its question and answer. And yesterday I had sent a video on rhyming words. Rhyming words पे जो भेजा गया था वो आपने देखा क्या students? क्या होता है rhyming words? Rhyming words means those words. It means their ending sounds are same. They called rhyming words. M-A-D mad, S-A-D sad. Ending sound same here. So they are rhyming words. Next is book. B-O-O-K book. L-O-O-K look. So in that video, I had told you some examples also of rhyming words. So rhyming words means मिलते जुलते शब्द जो पढ़ते समय जो बोलते समय उनके ending के sound same होते हैं. For example, here is V-R-L-E while, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E crocodile while crocodile ending के sound same आ रहे हैं. I-L-E yes, so they are also rhyming words. C-R-U-N-C-H crunch, L-U-N-C-H lunch, crunch and lunch rhyming words. Enjoys, E-N-J-O-Y-S enjoys, B-O-Y-S boys, enjoys and boys, they are also a pair of rhyming words. Next, hot pot, hot pot, okay. Girls, curls. Well, caramel. Treat, sweet. View, few. Bait, head. So these are rhyming words. Lot of rhyming words you will get in your textbook. Okay. Here, stare. Gun, run. In, skin. And last word is smile and crocodile. Okay, so these are the words. So write these rhyming words in your notebook. That whole rhyming words you have to write in your notebook. So only the first question is rhyming words or two more words that have the same or similar ending sounding words. The first question is read the poem and note down the rhyming words at the end of each line. Which words we read now, that whole words you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Now the B question, copy each question, then choose and write the correct answer with a color pencil. Okay students. Okay. Next B question. Now the B question is copy each questions, then choose and write the correct answer with a color pencil. You don't have color pencil, so no problem. You can use that pencil which you have. So first question is there. On which day of the week does Crocky have children for lunch? कौन से दिन पे क्रॉकी को चिल्ड्रन खाना पसंद था, है ना, for lunch? On which day of the week does Crocky have children for lunch? Saturdays and Sundays. Which day? In our poem, if you have read the poem's line is there, on Saturdays he likes to crunch. On Saturday, है ना? So हमें क्या करना है, Saturday को circle करेंगे हम. That is the correct answer. So on Saturday is the day of the week does Crocky have children for lunch. Okay, not on Sundays. Understood? B question. How many children does he eat for lunch? उसको कितने चिल्ड्रन चाहिए थे खाने के लिए? So the options are 6, 3 boys and 3 girls. Second option 12, 6 boys and 6 girls. Out of them, which is the true answer? Yes, first answer 6, 3 boys and 3 girls. He eats for lunch. So first option is correct. Okay. How many children does he eat for lunch? That is the correct answer of B question. Okay. Third, C. What does he smear the boys with? Custard or mustard? What he smears, students? In our poem, you got that answer? Yes, mustard. है ना? So mustard is the correct answer. Mustard smears. Mustard smears on the boys. Okay. What does he smear the boys with? With mustard. Okay. Now next question. At which part of the day is this poem being narrated? कौन से समय पे ये जो पोएम है वो नैरेट की गई? पता है ना, स्टोरी टेलिंग होता है, पोएम नैरेटिंग होता है ना. कभी पोएम कभी नैरेट होती है हमेशा. सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है कि ऐसे कौन से समय में ये पोएम नैरेट हो गई थी? At which part of the day is this poem being narrated? Evening or night? What is the correct answer? Here in the poem you can see it's time for bed. It's time for bed means when we go to bed at night. Yes. So that is why at night is the part of the day when this poem being narrated, not in the evening. Okay. E question. Why is Crocky Wocky a wild crocodile? Why is Crocky Wock a wild crocodile? मतलब उसे क्यों हम दुष्ट, बैड, इविल ऐसा बोला जाता है? दुष्ट है वो बहुत, ऐसा क्यों बोला गया? या क्यों हम क्रॉकी वॉक क्रोकोडाइल को दुष्ट बोल सकते हैं? है ना, अच्छा नहीं है, वीक है, दुष्ट है बहुत. क्यों? ऑल क्रोकोडाइल्स आर बैड. और सेकेंड ऑप्शन, ही इट्स लिटिल चिल्ड्रन. Why we say that Croco walk a wild crocodile? That is the line of our poem. Wild means दुष्ट, है ना, जिसे जरा भी प्यार नहीं, ममता नहीं, उसे दुष्ट बोला जाता है. कुछ एनिमल जो होते हैं वो दुष्ट होते हैं क्योंकि वो बच्चों को खाते हैं, दूसरे जानवरों की हत्या करते हैं. दे आर वाइल्ड एनिमल. सो व्हाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन? सो द रीजन इज ही इट्स लिटिल children. That is why Crocky walk a wild crocodile. It is the correct reason. Okay. So now like this we have solved the question and answer. Now these whole questions A and B for notebook writing. This rhyming words question also and the question B also you have to write in your notebook. Understood? This is writing work of the crocodile poem that you have to complete in your English notebook. So only few questions were there that we have recited, we have solved. Now here the activity is like that. A poem reading competition. You know students, there is a particular way of reading a poem. The pronunciation is different. The voice should be different. Okay. So here it is. Practice to read this poem with the correct expression and punctuations. Your teacher will guide you to read correctly. Enjoy reading the poem over and over again. Memorize it if you can. Once everyone is ready, let each row come up to the front and read aloud one verse each. Remember to express shock, disgust, cautions, and fear in your voices. Invite a teacher to be the judge for this competition. All the best. Now यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी बताई गई है आपको कि पोएम कैसे बोले जाना चाहिए. जैसे सेंटेंस होते हैं, जो इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं पोएम में, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट लाइन्स यू हैव टू शो योर फेस. आपके जो एक्सप्रेशन है, पोएम रीडिंग करने का जो तरीका है वो वैसा होना चाहिए. जो शॉकिंग कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं वो बोलते समय आपके आईब्रोज ऐसे हाई होने चाहिए, है ना. तो एक्सप्रेशन के साथ यू शुड स्पीक, यू शुड नरेट द पोएम. दैट इज द वे. Now school is not going on, that is why, but no problem, you should recite this poem and with the expression at least one stanza. If it is not possible, you can't recite whole poem, so no problem, but at least one stanza you must recite. कम से कम 5-6 लाइन्स तो आपको रिसाइट करनी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैं आपको एक बता देती हूँ कि यहाँ पे ऐसे इस प्रकार से आपको बोलनी चाहिए. दैट इज द वे. लिसन, व्हाट इज दैट आई हियर galumphing softly up the stair? Go, lock the door and fetch my gun. Go on, child, hurry, quickly run. No, stop, stand back, he coming in. Oh, look, that crazy greenish skin, the shining teeth, the greedy smile, its croaky walk, the crocodile. आपने देखा जब ये लाइंस मैंने पढ़े हैं तब एक्सप्रेशन के साथ उनको पढ़ा है. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू रीड द पोएम, यू हैव टू नरेट द पोएम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो whole question and answers of this poem you have to write in your English notebook. Wednesday is your checking day. On that day you have to submit your notebook as well as a textbook for checking purpose. And let me tell you students, very early you have to attend your first duty exam. It means like worksheets. So prepare for that. Watch every video. Do study. Now don't waste your time for other activity. Focus on your study because maybe in next month we will take your exam. It means first worksheet on first topics. Till bye bye and take care.